Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. This is Master Alex. Welcome. Today I would like to share with you the Zodiac Rooster in 2022. If you are born in the following period, your Zodiac is a Rooster and you have so many beautiful things. We call it the congenital advantage, which is when the time you're born, you will have it. You don't need to do anything. It just comes with you naturally. So we call it the congenital advantage. Okay, are you ready? Okay, the first one, which is so important, we call people skill. Rooster is really good for the people skill. Rooster is born to be like a leader or team player or take care of like a customer service job, sales job. Because Rooster is really good to deal with people, have a really good people skill. This is something awesome. Okay, the second one is loyalty. Rooster is loyal to the relationship, to the family. So if, let's say, if your buddy, your friends is like a Rooster, this is something really good for you because he will back you up. Okay, the number three one is stable. Rooster is relatively stable than other Zodiac. Some people will have ups and downs for the emotional, so it's not really stable for them. But for Rooster is on the other hand, is really stable. Although there's still ups and downs for the emotional, but Rooster can control it, can maintain in a good level. So this is something awesome. Okay, the next thing is efficiency. We know that Rooster is good to set up some target and accomplish it. It's no problem. And Rooster is really good to show the efficiency to complete the job. So this is something good for the business. Okay, number five. Number five is the decisive characteristic. Once the Rooster decides to do something, he make up the mind, he will do it no matter how difficult or how many obstacle, challenge is on the way. Doesn't stop a Rooster. He will do that without any issue. Okay, the last one. The last one is Rooster have a really humble and gentle characteristic. So it's good to get a good, be a friend with a Rooster, and you will have some good timing with a Rooster. So this is something amazing. Okay, the next thing is the congenital disadvantage for Rooster. At least three of them for your reference. Some Rooster, they have a really stubborn characteristic. So when the Rooster make up the mind, it's tough for you to change it. He won't listen to you anyway. And if just let's say he listen to you, but he won't change the style he do the job because he have a really unique style to do that. So people will call it stubborn. Okay, the second one is Rooster is willing to go his own way. No matter maybe you are jealous or you make laugh to him, but doesn't matter. He don't care. He will just go his own way and then do it by himself. Okay, number three is we don't know why. In terms of luck, Rooster always have a lot of ups and downs in their life. It's not really stable. We don't know why. But this is the phenomenon, just too much ups and downs, too much change in their life. Okay, the next thing I want to share with you is if you're a Rooster, you need to find snake and ox to be your business partner. They are really good for you. If you want to find a girlfriend or boyfriend, Dragon is the best soulmate for you. And in the team, please stay away from rabbit, Rooster, and dog. You see that Rooster and Rooster are not really good together. For other Zodiac, it's no problem. Like let's say dog and dog, pig and pig, they're good together. But Rooster and Rooster, they got an issue. Okay, the good luck timing for Rooster is 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. every single day. And from 1 a.m. to 3 a.m. every single day. So do not use that timing. It's not really good for you. The better timing for a Rooster is 5 a.m. to 7 a.m. and 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. Do not schedule something important in that period. Okay, for the overall forecast for 2022, it's not really good for a Rooster, but it's not really bad, so don't worry. So it's quite like a normal situation, but you need to pay attention. Someone may do something at your back to harm you or even betray you. So be careful for your friends and relatives. And there's some challenge at March, August, and October. So be prepared for that one, be like a low profile. Okay, in terms of a financial forecast, the financial fortune is not really good. but it's not really bad. What you need to do is just avoid some like overspending or over-investment or too aggressive investment. That will help. For the career, you will have a lot of pressure, workload from your company, and you need to keep an eye on those smiling at you, but will do something at the back to hurt you. Be careful for that one. Okay, in terms of the love forecast, it's not really good, but it's not really bad. But Rooster have a really, really good people skill, so there's no problem. Okay, for the family forecast, there's so many conflict, so be patient, avoid some impulsive reaction that will help. Okay, the last thing is the health forecast. You need to pay attention for the smell, more health issue, do some exercise, sleep well, that will help. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching. Good luck. If you want to learn more about traditional feng shui setting and knowledge, I have a book in Amazon.com. The name is Practical Feng Shui 101. You can go there, take a look. I put a link down below. And if you want to learn more about current feng shui setting and yearly feng shui tips, I also have a book for you, free of charge. I put a link down below. You're welcome to go there, download it. And thanks for watching. Good luck.